not launching 2025. Follow these methods one by one until the issue is solved. #PC fixes. 1. Run as administrator. Right-click on War Thunder launcher, run as administrator. Prevents permission-related crashes. #2. Verify game files. If using Steam, library, right-click War Thunder, properties, installed files, verify integrity of game files. If using the launcher, look for check files option. #3. Update GPU drivers. NVIDIA GeForce Experience update. AMD Adrenalin software update. Intel driver and support assistant. #4. Clear cache. Navigate to War Thunder installation folder, delete the cache folder. The launcher will rebuild it automatically. 5. Disable overlays. Turn off Steam, Discord, GeForce Experience, or MSI Afterburner overlays. They often cause crashes. 6. Adjust graphics settings. Lower resolution and set graphics preset to medium or low. Turn off VSync, DLSS, or ray tracing if enabled. 7. Reset network DNS. Open command prompt as administrator. Run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC after. 8. Reinstall Microsoft redistributables. Install, repair DirectX, .NET Framework, and Visual C++ redistributables from Microsoft's site. 9. Reinstall War Thunder. If nothing helps, uninstall completely. Reinstall fresh copy. PS4, PS5 fixes. 1. Restart console and router. Fully power off both. Restart. 2. Update system and game. Settings, system software update. War Thunder, options, check for updates. 3. Rebuild database, PS4, PS5 safe mode. Power off console, hold power button until second beep, select rebuild database. 4. Clear cache, fully shut down console, unplug for 2 to 3 minutes, plug back in. 5. Reinstall War Thunder. Delete the game, reinstall from PlayStation Store. Extra tips, make sure your system meets minimum requirements. Ensure enough free storage space. Add War Thunder as an exception in Firewall antivirus. If all else fails, contact Gaijin support with logs and crash reports.